All right, let's see the plastic that it comes in. Put that to the side. Let's see what's underneath here. Well, underneath here you have the battery. Let's see what kind of battery it comes with. This battery is a removable battery for a phone like this size, 5.7 inch. Most of them you cannot remove, but this one you can. This is a 2900 milliamps battery. Okay, so some more information here. You have your book, your cord for charging, and your micro USB to mini USB charging cables. All right, so back to the phone itself right here, and of course let's take this out of the plastic that it comes in right here. And okay, so this is the phone here itself, and you can see the features you probably saw in another video, but I'm going to show it to you again here. Here you have your rear facing 13 megapixel camera, LG branding right here. Your autofocus here is laser autofocus. Your button here, not really a fingerprint, but and over here is your camera itself. Your speaker grill over here. Plasticky matte back here. I'll make it look like metal. On the top here you have your headphone port, and over here you have your stylo right here. Let's take out the stylo. See how we can take it out right here. It just pops out like this. You can see it's rather a couple of inches long right here, about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. Try to see if we could put that back in right there. The bottom of the phone, you have your USB charging port and your microphone, and the side you have nothing on this side here. On the other side you have nothing on this side. Actually, I guess your volume buttons are right here, so you can see there's not much on the sides right here, as you can see. Alright, so let's open this up. Now I have long nails today. I didn't cut my nails, so I'm gonna open it up with my nails. I'm gonna see if we could pop open this case right here. Now this one here has NFC backing, as you can see here. I read somewhere that it did not have NFC backing, but this one actually does, which is pretty good. And of course here you have your port. You have your a SIM card port and your micro SD port all in one right here. No, your micro SD, no, yep, it's all in one right here. See, the top port is for your, no, the bottom port for your SIM, and the top for your micro SD card slot right there. Okay, so let's put in the battery by doing like this, matching it up. All right, and close it back up. Now I'm not putting any SIM card in or micro SD card at this moment, so let's see, we could take off this plastic here first. Let's see if we can remove this plastic out of here. Okay. There it goes right there. Okay, so we got a notch there. All right, nice clear black 5.7 inch screen, as you can see. Now let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Now bear with me. First time I'm using this, so I don't know how to turn it on. So I'm gonna try to press this button here, see if anything happens. Yep, we got a vibration. And there it goes, right there, Android. Now this runs Android 5.1 or 5.0 Lollipop, and which is the latest operating system on the LG Stylo right here. Now this runs on the frequency of GSM frequency 850, 900, 1800, 1900, which is basically the Metro PCS T-Mobile network. And the Metro PCS version is like around 250. I think you can get it for $199 or so. But okay, Android is starting up right here. Let's see, it's okay, contacting, okay, finishing boot. Now this first time it's being started up here, so now let's give it a little bit more time. Okay, all right, we're just gonna skip this part here. Wi-Fi, we're gonna do Wi-Fi. Let me turn on my Wi-Fi now. Actually, let me see if I can skip this, because I just want to go home and see what the native apps are. Show it to you. I'm going to skip anyway. All right. So you can see the NFC icon up there showed up, which is really good. And all right, the name, I'm going to skip that. Skip that. I'm going to skip anyway. Okay, guys, so I finally got it set up right here. I added in my Wi-Fi information, and of course I got a message saying that the system update download, there's a update that's available. Probably an update to an Android, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it later. And here's your pull down toggle information right here. You got your Wi-Fi, sound, and all the other stuff that's going on here. Let's see what else they have here. Your Bluetooth, all the other stuff, NFC once again. You have your settings. Oh yeah, also there's one thing else I wanted to show you, the about the phone, which is always important. Let's go to settings again, right here, and we go down to let's see, get some. Go back, some general information. See the storage, which is always important. All right, it comes 16 gigs, and you're able to use about 10 gigs, 10.31 gigs. And you could also mount an SD card, I believe up to 128 gigs. So don't take my 128 gigs word for it, but that's what I heard for the T-Mobile version. And right here, okay, you only have available 10 gigs of storage space. Now let's see the operating system that it's running on. About the phone, as you can see, it's running Android 5.1.1 right there. And there is also an upgrade that's available, which I'm going to do later. All right, so this is your home screen right here, and tells you the date and the time and all the other stuff, the native apps that it comes with. And this is your app drawer right here. These are the native apps that comes with the Walmart version of the LG Stylo, which is basically it's the T-Mobile version of the Stylo, not the Sprint or the Boost Mobile version. And this means that it has 2 gigs of RAM instead of 1 gig, and it has a 13 megapixel camera. So once again, your apps right here, native apps. You can see your browser, everything, all the other information here. And let's take a look at the let me take a look at the phone interface, see what it looks like. See, you can make your calls with this phone interface right here. So you make a dial, and of course there's no SIM card available, so it's not going to go through. So it's a nice sleek phone. Basically this is the profile of the phone. Now to turn it off or on, you just press this, it goes off. You press it again like that, right here, it goes on right here. And also this is your volume rocker right here. Once again, your volume rocker up and down. Now now right here is your you have a knock code that you could do, so I'm going to do that later. All right, so it feels good. It's pretty light in the hand. One thing I wanted to check is the camera, which is always interesting. Let's take a look at the camera and see. Do that right now. Okay. All right, so let's see the settings on the camera. You have mode here, your settings right here. All right, 16:9. Okay, and basically that's basically it. I don't see anything else really. 16:9. You have HD, full HD, so you can record full HD on the rear camera. And you can see the 4:3 or the 16:9 ratio. Now let's go check out the front camera by pressing over here. And you can see the front camera here. Let's see the settings for the front camera. 16:9. And the front camera, believe it or not, also has full HD, apparently. So that's pretty good. I thought it had only 720p, but apparently, according to this, it has full HD. So that's something interesting to take note of. All right, so let's turn it back. Go back home here. Get out of here. Let's see what we get out of here. Nope, no front camera again. All right, let's see what we get out of here by. Okay. All right, so that's a quick look at the LG G Stylo from Walmart Family Mobile that's available. I guess you get it right now for $179, and it looks like a pretty neat phone. So you got that 5.7-inch thing going on right there. So if you have any questions, you could send me a comment or text, and I'll try to get back to you. This is Bob from Tech Shuttle, and I'll see you next time. Take care.